Hello and welcome to Project Mastery Podcast. We will discuss on OPA in today's episode. OPA stands for Organization Process Assets. OPAs are inputs to majority of the project management process. Projects are able to benefit from past experience with help of OPA. Organization Process Assets refers to knowledge, process, tools an organization develops and uses them to manage projects efficiently. It is nothing but the accumulated knowledge, processes, tools that an organization uses for effective project management. They represent the organization's expertise. They represent the organization's internal expertise and resources that can be leveraged to improve project outcomes and ensure consistency. OPAs are unique to organization and they include things like process, policies, procedures, project management templates, historical information, lessons learned from past project, corporate knowledge database. So we need to understand that policies and procedures are also important and how we can leverage them in our project management. These are formal documented guidelines and procedures governing the project management activities within the organization. We also talk about templates, which are standardized formats for project documentation, project reporting, and other project related activities. Historical data is also an example of OPA. Records of past project, including lessons learned, project plans, post-project evaluations. This is what we refer to as historical data. Lessons learned is also a very important aspect of OPA. The knowledge that we gain from completed projects can be used for improving the future project management practices and it will act as a benchmark for similar projects. Then we also talk about best practices. There are some best practices that have been followed, standardized approaches, methods that have been proven effective for that specific organization in project management. So those best practices we consider them as OPA and we will need to refer to them so that we can incorporate those best practices in our future projects and we don't have to reinvent the wheel. Project files are also considered as OPA where you talk about project documents, project reports, other artifacts which are related to past and ongoing projects. Knowledge database is nothing but a collection of information, expertise, and insights related to project management within the organization. We call them as the corporate knowledge database. It is one of the significant responsibility for an organization to create a corporate knowledge database which will enable continuous improvement for projects. We use OPAs for planning, which is going to provide a foundation for developing the project plans, schedules by incorporating the historical data, best practices, and standard processes. It is also used for execution of project activities in a consistent and efficient manner by making use of standardized templates, procedures, and guidelines. We are also using OPA during the monitoring and controlling process group, where in order to monitor the project progress and implement corrective actions by providing standardized reporting formats, risk registers, OPS contribute to the documentation of project outcomes, helping us to capture lessons learned and improve future project management practices. By leveraging these assets, project managers can improve the project outcomes, enhance consistency, and promote continuous improvement of project management practices. We have come to the end of this episode. Hope the knowledge was valuable. Thank you for tuning in. We will discuss on a more interesting topic in the next episode. Until then, have a great day.